in the hands of a few. And with the God of heaven, it is all one, to deliver with a great multitude or a small company. For the victory of battle standeth not in the multitude of an host, but strength cometh from heaven. They come against us in much pride and iniquity to destroy us, and our wives and children, and to spoil us. But we fight for our lives and our laws. Wherefore the Lord himself will overthrow them before our face. And as for you, be ye not afraid of them. Separate the boys from the men. We rather die in battle than to behold the calamities of our nation. Our eyes behold the destruction of our sanctuary. Our feet swift to the battle. We commune in the streets with warlike apparel. We put our lives on the line for the sake of our people. We are the Maccabees.